Hey beauties, today I'll show you 10 super easy claw clip hairstyles that looks so unique and are so easy to recreate. We will start with our first low bun. Basically, we'll use a long claw clip for that. So you want to twist your hair up, fix this twist with this claw clip and twist your ponytail created and wrap it around your claw clip and tag it into the claw clip the ends to fix it. Also, you want to pull it to make it fuller and voluminous. Gathering all your hair into a low ponytail, you want to loosen a bit your crown section and you want to twist your hair up like I'm showing, creating a bun, hiding the ends inside, like that. Now you want to use 2 tiny claw clips to fix this bun in place. You can use more of them if you need, but for me it's enough. If you have any hair sticking out like me, you can hide them and use some hairspray. For our third hairstyle, we want to brush from one side our hair with a claw clip, then grabbing all the rest of your hair, you want to twist it opposite side and bring it up and fix it with the same claw clip like I'm showing, and your voluminous ponytail is ready. Next, gathering all your hair into a high ponytail, you want to twist it up. Use a claw clip, better to use a bigger or a longer one like I have here. Then you want to twist all this hair from the ponytail created and wrap it around your claw clip. Tuck it into the claw clip the ends to fix it well in place like I'm showing. Pull it to make it voluminous and beautiful. Next, you want to bring all the hair to one side and begin a loose 3-strand braid. Of course, you can make any type of braid that you like here. Now you want to twist a little bit your braid like I'm showing and bring it up and fix it with your hand like I'm showing, and using a claw clip you want to fix in place this construction. If you have longer hair like I do, you want to twist the ends up and tuck it into the claw clip to fix it well in place. Gathering all your hair into a low ponytail, you want to twist it, bringing it up. Use a medium claw clip, fix this twist in place. This time you want to twist a little bit your ponytail and wrap it around. Fix the end with the claw clip. Use some hairspray if you have layers like I do. You want to gather all the hair into a low ponytail, twist it, bring your hair up, make a bun with it, and then grabbing the ends, you want to make a knot like that. Bring the ends down and fix it with a claw clip. I'll use here a longer one so our hair will stay in place all day long. We want to bring all our hair like in a high ponytail, and you will want to twist it up. Twist and roll your hair, creating a bun, hiding the ends inside of your bun. You want to fix it from the back with a claw clip. Make sure to fix it well at the crown section, gathering as much hair as you can. You want to pull it, of course, to make it voluminous, and you're done. Next, gathering all the hair into a low ponytail. You want to twist it, creating kind of knot. bring the ends through the middle, creating a knot. Then grabbing the end, you want to twist it, or you can just clip it with a tiny claw clip. This will secure in place all this construction, trust me. You want to twist all your hair up using a claw clip. A bigger one I will suggest. Fix it but horizontally, and then you're twisting all your hair around. You want to fix it with the claw clip and your bun is ready. Guys, I really hope you enjoyed this super easy claw clip hairstyles. I used different claw clips so you will have different variations of your hairstyles. Don't forget to leave me a like, subscribe to Awesome Hairstyles. Love you so much and see you soon in my next one. Bye!